Brent here, speak English with this guy. We're doing another hotel English lesson, and today this is coming from a hotel called a loft. A loft, and a little bit later you're going to see an interview with someone who actually came to the United States and they knew zero English. They came from Angola. They speak Portuguese originally, but now they're a very good English speaker. All right, you know the drill. This is what we do on this channel. I can't stop recording until I reach my hotel room, but it's gonna be a little different today because my hotel room isn't ready yet. So there will be some edits here, but let's go check out the lobby. Wait, hang on, before we do that, let's check out this parking meter. So if you are going to come to this hotel, you will need to either park at this parking meter, but you could probably only be here for a couple hours. Then you'll have to valet your car. We'll check out the valet parking in the back in a minute. Valet parking is when somebody parks your car for you, and you probably have to pay them a little money, give them a little tip. This is a revolving door. That's what we call it, a revolving door. But this lobby is pretty awesome. It's probably the best hotel lobby that I've seen. This part isn't that impressive. It's just the bathrooms. Although, should we see if I can go in the men's room. Should we see if anybody is in the men's room? If not, I'll show you what the bathroom looks like because I've been in here before. Hello? Anybody in here? Sounds like it's empty. It actually smells good. Yeah. Sinks. We have some tissues. Tissues here. Oh, employees must wash their hands before returning to work. And you will see Spanish. So if you are a Spanish speaker, you might see some signs in Spanish, but not too many. Here's a urinal. My voice echoes in here. That's a urinal. The ladies' room probably won't have a urinal. And we call those things stalls. I don't want to go into a stall because who knows what we'll find in there, but that's a hand dryer. Ooh, the lobby's kind of busy. I'm here about 2 hours before my room is going to be ready. So I'm kind of stalling. When you have some place to be, but you don't have anything to do before you get there, we might say you're kind of stalling. You're just waiting. But look at this lobby here. And there is a bar. We'll check that out in a minute. It's not open right now, but you can imagine maybe if you drink alcohol, you can sit here, have your drink. Maybe you'll get a little darker. Oh, that pillow over there says good vibes. Good vibes. That's another way to say like good feelings. Good vibes only. Well, this is a little chair, maybe for a kid. It's a tiny chair. Oh, hopefully I can get out of here. The light's not very good. We have a lamp. Nice lamp, a little side table. We would call that a side table. All right, let's go over here to the bar. You can learn a word, tap handles. Tap handles. That is for beer. And people pull on those handles and the beer comes out. That's called a tap handle. There are 4 of them. And the name of this bar is WXYZ. Let's go look here at the game table. Looks like we have a tic-tac-toe. Tic-tac-toe. That looks like chess. That would probably be called a game like Jenga. Jenga? I really don't know what that game is. Look at these lights though. Fancy. Here's a way in English to say something looks good. This is upper level English. Aesthetically pleasing. Aesthetically pleasing. That's what I think when I see this lobby. It looks just really nice. All right, it looks like somebody is, do you mind being on camera? Jamie is waiting while I record here.
My luxury table.
And this is, I don't know what that says. It either says live or it says live. They're both spelled the same way. Maybe live. I'll say live. There was another pillow over there, positive vibes. So probably positive, like live, live. Have a drink at our bar and live. Just don't have too many drinks and then you might die. So just have a couple drinks. But this is a pool table. We call this stuff chalk in English. I'll spell it up there, chalk. It has an L in it. It doesn't have an L sound, but it has the letter L in there. Look at that, more beer. Another little part to the lobby over here. Tactic meeting space. The name of the place is Tactic. If, I don't know what it means really. I don't know why they call this Tactic. If something is tactile, think about something with feeling. If somebody is tactile defensive, sometimes they don't like the way things feel on their fingers. Like, I'm a little tactile defensive. When I go to the beach, sometimes I don't like the grains of sand, the way they feel on my fingers. So if something is tactile, it means you can touch it. But you could have tactical, usually with the military, and it's like there is a system, there is an order to how the army is going to attack, like tactical. If they're tactical, they have a good plan. So I don't know why that's tactic, but look at this wall here. I would say that wall is aesthetically pleasing. Some nice fake flowers over here. They don't even look like flowers. They're just like balls. But I think that is somebody's artistic way of looking at flowers. Lots of seagulls. The sea is just over there a little bit. When I see seagulls, that many, I think of bird poop. Yuck. But The sea is right over there. We can't see it, but I promise the ocean is right over there. And here's a Connect 4 game. Have you ever played Connect 4? All right, we have a place over here called Refuel. Refuel is another way to say you're going to get more energy, and it could be with food or maybe coffee. And they have a place where you can get free coffee if you're staying here at the hotel. Decaf, no caffeine. It will not keep you awake. If something has a little kick, it's got a little energy. So that caffeine for a break, no caffeine there. Whenever you see half and half near like a coffee maker, it means like half heavy cream and half milk. Then they have just regular milk. Ooh. Low fat milk. Whole milk, that's pretty thick. Then we have creamer. We would call that cream, and it's pretty heavy. It's heavier than milk, thicker than milk. I have a special treat for you. I know some of you would like to move to the United States eventually, and guess what? We have Celeste here. She works at the hotel. She is originally from Angola. She speaks Portuguese, and she is going to tell you some of the hardships about moving to the United States. Check her out.
Hi everyone, my name is Celeste Faria. I came to the United States when I was 18, 2013. The first challenge that I faced with was English. Back home, I wasn't able to go to school and study English, and back home, we don't care about English, but English is very important. Like in general, learning so many language is necessary. When I came, was zero English, and it was hard to communicate. Even to find a job was very hard. After that, I went to school, and I like to go to school. I'm a student, still student. I graduated here from my high school. I went to Portland High School. I went to adult education to finish because I need to make some money.
And guess what? Celeste has her own YouTube channel.
Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, VIP High Level TV.
Now let's go take a look at our room upstairs. All right, we are on the 4th floor, and I am in 406. All right, nice shower here, a little small bathroom. Towel hanger, probably. Little night light down there. Not bad. This is maybe storage. Put your laundry in there. Yeah, if you want to have your laundry done, if you're staying here for a week or so, probably cost you an additional fee. $68 degrees Fahrenheit. I like it a little cooler. Let's see, can we get it a little cooler? Come on. All right, we'll work on that later, but 68 degrees Fahrenheit, little warm for me. Oh, look at the view. I told you. The ocean. not too far away. Look at those nice gas tanks. Yeah, it would be a nice view of the ocean if it wasn't for those gas tanks or those oil tanks. Busy street. Hopefully it won't be too loud tonight. That street is called Commercial Street. The room is rather small, but I would say it's aesthetically pleasing. Aesthetically pleasing. All right, ooh, and they gave us some free water. Water came with the price of the room. If you enjoy this, guess what? I have a ton of English lessons in hotel rooms. Thank you so much for joining. See you next time.